Report writing. What is business communication report? A report is a description of an event carried back to someone who was not present on the scene. It may be defined as an organized statement of facts related to a particular subject prepared after an investigation is made and presented to the interested persons. What is the importance of writing a report? Report writing is an essential skill at all levels of business. Writing clear, concise reports is a key skill for effective business communication. An effective, well written report can drive sales, create some more cohesive and better functioning teams, streamline processes, and improve financial operations. What are the different types of reporting? First one, formal or informal reports, short or long reports, informational or analytical reports, proposal report, vertical or lateral reports, internal or external reports, periodic reports, and functional reports. Characteristics of business report. Information that lies in business reports is related to facts of business activities. This makes business report unique from other reports. A good business report should have all essential features or qualities as it provides information based on the real facts to make the decisions. The main characteristics of any business reports are as mentioned below. First one, easily understandable. To hold the audience attention, a business report should be easy to understand. The audience should be considered before making a report. Complex terminology and detailed information can be included in business reports in case of a vast industry experienced audience. However, the audience that has less experience in the industry, the simple and straightforward language in the business report. Second one, correct and unbiased facts. The business report must contain facts or information that is accurate and impartial. If the information is incorrect or incomplete, then the desired result cannot be achieved. This will ultimately create a hindrance in the achieving organizational goals. Third one, clear and brief information. Too much lengthy or unnecessary information or content may lose the audience interest and result in their time wastage. So, the business reports should be written in a clear way and concise form. In another way, it is related to avoid unnecessary information and only includes all those matters